So hello guys, it's me again. So this is our last code we did study last time. Today we're going to talk about const functions. So let me think. So const after a functions mean this function will not change any member variable, just that. So today we'll create a small bank account code. I'll kind of change this code here. So this counter will now be a bank account instead of counter, bank account. Same for our header file. So now in our bank account header file, I will delete everything here. So we'll create a new thing called bank account, a new class bank account, which will hold the name of the owner and then the balance of that person or whoever made this bank account. Okay. I did create a small constructor of our bank account. I will explain everything after writing the whole code. Okay. The next function I will create is a function called deposit, because in the bank account there is deposit, a get balance, and maybe information, which is get balance, and then withdraw sometime. Yeah. So let me create those functions. And then now I'll create a small function which will return a double, and it will be a const function. As I told you, const function, they're just functions that will never affect members of a class or an object like that. Let me say I create a get balance function which can affect, which is not a const. When someone calls it, you can change, and then that person can hack your bank, and then when he will check his balance, he will literally take the money every time, and you guys won't even check. You will think that it's just checking the balance, but it's actually withdrawing some money, not in the account, but in the bank. So yeah, basically this is our small bank account function. We have a bank account constructor here, bank account class, which will have string owner and then balance. The double with that guy will have balance, and then in the constructor we'll just put everything here. And bank, we do everything like a deposits function, get balance function, and then print information function. So these const here, they are there to never affect our members, as we have to. Every const function will never affect the members of a class. Okay, so let me implement it in the C++. I can just do this. Let me see. I guess it doesn't exist actually. This one here, I'll change it to bank account. So yeah, as we did everything in our bank account header file, we don't need to implement anything in the C++ code. So now here we just need to use it. Okay. So yeah, let me explain this one here. So in our bank account header file, right, we did create a constructor which you can assign here. As we create an object account, we'll give it directly. We assign the name, which is Kim, and then the base balance, which is 1000. Then I do a small deposit of 500. It's not a small, it's kind of a deposit of 500. Now if I do print this one, this is what we get, right? We do print get balance. So Kim's has $1,050. Then read-only balance is 1,050. Why? These consts, they are really important, because sometimes you need information that cannot be changed. You need to get to private members but not affect them. That's why sometimes you need to use consts functions. They will never change a member. They will just use it but never change it. They will access its data but will never change it. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Bye.